Keeping the pulse on your data is mission critical for making smart business decisions. Now, stats might sound like a dry topic, but they don't have to be. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of all the cool reporting tools available to you in Ontraport. Your stats live in a few places in the app: the dashboard, automation performance mode, broadcast history, and sales reports. We have in-depth videos for each of these features, but for now, I'll just give you a quick overview of how it all works. I'll start with your dashboard. It has two parts: trends and metrics. In trends, visual charts show you how things change over time. You'll get live reports on your contacts, custom objects, emails, text messages, page visits, monthly recurring revenue, and more. You won't have to go digging around for this information. It'll all be right at your fingertips. You can use these filters to track specific information in each chart. So, if you wanted to see all the new contacts you've added over the last 3 months, you'd adjust the filter on your contacts chart and the time frame here. So that's trends in a nutshell. Now let's check out metrics. While trends charts are great for tracking long-term stats, metrics gives you details about a single snapshot in time. You might want to see the conversion rate for a certain point in your funnel, like how many people decided to buy your underwater basket weaving course. Or maybe you want to know how much time usually passes between a sales call for that course and the actual purchase. You have lots of options to choose from. After you create those metrics, you can view all the measurable stats in your business from one page, like this. You can customize your metrics dashboard however you want, but you'll learn about that in another video. For now, just know you'll be able to view lots of stats in real time, and that's pretty valuable. Now I'll show you how to use performance mode to see live automation stats. All your automation maps have a performance tab up here. When the campaign goes live, you can click it on to keep track of your automation results in real time and never miss a beat. In performance mode, go to this report dropdown. It'll give you 6 reports to choose from. First, your contact flow reports. These show you where your contacts are right now in your automation map. Then, you have funnel conversion reports, which keep track of your conversion rates from one goal to another. Lifetime value reports show you how much money your contacts spend both overall and after hitting specific elements in your automation. Your goal conversion rate tells you how each element in your automation is performing. This helps you pinpoint which parts of your strategy are working or not working, and where you can improve. The goal conversion point shows you where a contact was on the map when they converted, so you can see which elements drove those results. Pretty cool stuff. And finally, the goal conversion time shows you how long it took for new leads to reach specific automation goals. All these stats help you see how people move through your automation maps and interact with your assets. You'll know how to fine-tune your marketing strategy so that your contacts convert faster and hopefully increase your recurring revenue. You can even click on these numbers to see the contacts who are at a certain point on the map. Now, on to our third stop, broadcast history. This is where you'll check out stats for your email and SMS broadcasts. You can see all the emails you've sent, how many were opened and clicked, and more. Hot tip: if you want to see which people clicked on a certain email, just click on these numbers. All right. Last but not least is your sales reports. They're actually pretty exciting things, especially once you start leveraging them in your marketing. To get there, hover over your Sales tab and click Reports. From there, you'll see these 9 reports. Here's how each one works. The first one is pretty easy. Sales shows your cumulative sales for all products you sell. Subscriber retention tells you how your subscription products are performing. These stats focus on customer info, like the average length of a subscription. Subscription sales gives you stats about sales you make from subscription products. Transaction logs will have all your individual transactions organized by contact. The product sales logs will show you information about all the products you've sold. Then we have customer value, which is a snapshot of customer value by contact name. In shipping collected, you can check the status of shipping payments within a specific date range. Taxes collected keeps track of sales tax payment status in a certain date range. And finally, Open Orders will give you details about any open orders in your account. And that about covers it. If these reports don't satisfy your thirst for numbers, you can use a reporting tool of your choice to analyze data on a deeper level. Just use Ontraport's API or webhooks to send data to tools like Google Sheets, Data Studio, Chart.io, and more. You can even sync up with custom platforms like VitalStats. If you want to further channel your inner stats nerd, you can also take a deep dive into any of the reporting features we just discussed by checking out the Reporting in Ontraport video series. That covers metrics, trends, and reporting with performance mode in more detail. Now that you know all about your reporting options, you can jump right in and start using them in your account.